Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
A wave having a frequency of 1000 Hz vibrates at a less than 1000 cycles per second. B. 1000 cycles per second. C. More than 1000 cycles per second. The answer to the question is the frequency of a wave is defined as the number of cycles or oscillations that occur per second. Therefore, if a wave has a frequency of 1000 Hz, it vibrates at B. 1000 cycles per second. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next session, bye bye.